The universe is depicted undergoing a cataclysmic transformation. This transformation symbolizes the end of the world as it is known. Celestial bodies begin to shift, indicating a cosmic disruption. The disruption signals the arrival of the Day of Judgment. The scene portrays a universe in profound and destructive change. Souls converge in an expansive, abstract plane. They await judgment, symbolizing accountability. The scene highlights humanity's collective responsibility. The visual focus is on the number and diversity of souls present. Each individual's actions are symbolically presented. This presentation serves as a record of their life's deeds. Good and bad deeds are visually differentiated. This highlights the concept of divine accountability for one's actions. The scales of justice symbolize the evaluation of human actions. Good deeds are weighed against bad deeds. This evaluation is based on divine criteria. The balanced scales represent fairness and impartiality in divine judgment. The final scene presents abstract representations of paradise and hell. These locations symbolize the ultimate destinations based on the outcome of a final judgment. These depictions are not literal, but rather symbolic representations. Paradise and hell represent eternal reward and punishment, respectively.